We're going to set our stop at 18 inches. And we're going to set our miter at 30 degrees. On the end at 30 degrees. We'll put our stop. We want them to be going out at the same angle, so I go 30 degrees here. So you see our angles are going out on both ends. So we've got our three pieces cut. We just assemble our angle. This one will go in there. This one will go on the bottom of that one. That one there. Now all we have to do is glue it and nail it together. What are you doing it? And now we'll sand the hard edges. And then a quick coat of stain. So now we've got it stained and let it dry. We'll give it a quick coat of fast drying polyurethane gloss clear. It makes a nice little wall shelf. You can put little decorations on it or a little plant. Pretty nice.